Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Meccha Chameleon and the game is not opening, then you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Meccha Chameleon not opening on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. I'm going to show you how to do it on an NVIDIA card first, and then I'll show you Intel and AMD. So just click on to drivers here, fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series, model and your operating system. After that, click find here, and then it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding the driver, you're going to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. And now onto Intel, go on to intel.com, click on to support, download centered in. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to graphics here. And then you're going to search for your graphics card here. So whatever graphics card you have, search for it here. Intel Arc A750 for example. Now download the latest Intel Arc graphics drivers on your computer. Now onto AMD, go on to AMD.com, click on to resources and support. Drivers in. You're going to scroll down, click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit. You're going to click on your operating system, download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers and install them on your computer. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Meccha Chameleon, click on the properties, install files, click verify and tag it to your game files here. Once that's done, now you're going to click browse on here, or you're going to go to your Meccha Chameleon's games folder. The default location should be in your C drive from file A6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Meccha Chameleon here. Now you're going to right click on the Penguin Hotel exe, click onto properties, compatibility, click on to run this program as an administrator and also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, okay, and now when you try to play Meccha Chameleon, you'll see that your game will now open. You will not face that problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.